Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a spiral t-shirt, but I'm making my spiral off-center. I'm using a shirt that has been soaked in soda ash, wrung out, and is barely damp. I've also turned this one inside out. So I'm choosing an area in the lower right portion of my t-shirt, and I'm going to begin my spiral there. I'm just going to spiral my t-shirt up in the normal fashion and hold it together with some rubber bands. Then I'm going to draw a line with a washable marker through the middle of my t-shirt, making sure I go through the beginning part of my spiral. So where I started my spiral, I want my line to go through that area. Now I'm ready to dye my shirt. For this shirt, I'm only going to dye this one half of the shirt. Doesn't matter which half you choose, but I'm only dyeing one half of the shirt. I'm starting with sky blue from Dharma, and I'm going to dye probably about 2/3 of the area on this one side. I'm soaking my shirt pretty well. I don't mind if some of it comes through to the other side. I just don't want to super saturate it where it goes through and it overtakes the other side of the shirt. Other portion of this front side of the shirt, I'm dyeing in baby blue. At one point you'll see me turn the shirt over and check to make sure I've got enough dye on the front side. What I'm looking for is I want just a little bit of color to be coming through on the back. Not a whole lot, but I want to start to see a little bit of color coming through. Once I feel like I have enough color on the front side of this shirt, I'm going to gently turn the shirt over, and on the same portion that I put these colors on the front, I'm going to put strong navy on the back. I am not going to put this on real heavy. I am going to cover up every portion of the white that you see showing, but I don't want to oversaturate this because I don't want the strong navy to go all the way through to the other side and overtake the lighter blues that I have on the front. Even though I'm only dyeing half of this shirt, part of this color is going to go ahead and wick over into that white area. So I won't have as much white as you see showing here, showing for the final shirt. Once I have the back side covered with strong navy, I'm going to turn my shirt back over and I'm going to let it process with the lighter blues on top. Alright, here's what our shirt ended up looking like. If you'll notice, we don't have a very large area of white. That dye went ahead and wicked over into that white area quite a bit. Then it ended up tinting our white a very light shade of blue. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would hit that great big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.